Voila! Suddenly it's morning. We're in Leh. This place called Re Hostel. Pretty good. Forgot to forgot to end the vlog last night. You can see that's Leh Palace there. We're in Leh city now. Reached around what 9, 8:30 something. Had food and just went to bed. So today we'll be just exploring Leh city itself, starting with the palace and Shanti Stupa and all that, magnetic hills. So voila, let's get going. Heading for breakfast, trying to find some places in the Leh city main market, Lubi Road or Chubi Road, something they call it. Mountains in the background, and yeah, it's the market. Let me just show you. Sky is still crazy blue, man. I'm still always awed by the blues of the sky. A lot of things like small handicraft types stuff, stalls you can buy from here. You can sit here, avoid the sun, and all that. Chill for a while because the sun is crazy hot here. I mean, the temperature right now is around 16, 17 degrees, which is kind of cold, but the sun is so fucking hot then it feels like 25, 30 degrees even. Yeah, that's what's up. Almost at the palace. Steep climb, you can see most of Leh. You can even see some open grounds in there. Oh, fucking hell. That's all there is to the Leh Palace. You're not allowed to take video, just photos. We took a bunch of clicks, small as palace. And now let's go towards, I don't know, Shanti Stupa, get the car washed, ready for tomorrow, and also check out the magnetic hill situation. And our Gompa is there. So we'll see that too. Right? See the condition of the car. Say hello to Buddha Ashram. Gompa. That's right there. That's all of Leh there. You know, you can see in the distance. This is the palace. This is a monastery. And somewhere there is Shanti Stupa, but let's focus on the Gompa right now. Shall we? So we parked the car there, and it's like a 2-minute walk from there. Yeah. Let's go. Low oxygen. Just look at that. They have made beautiful tits on these creatures. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is all stone, it seems, with metallic paint. Nicely maintained. Still very shiny. Almost looks metallic golden. Yeah. Those are the big nips I was talking about. More architecture, traditional Tibetan Buddhist architecture. Yeah, that's another holy religious site there. So I guess we should just check that out now. Pretty detailed. There's a small Buddha in there. So yeah, I'm happy to see, whatever small patches of greenery there are, because it is a desert after all, right? Wind is too much here, but now we're at Shanti Stupa. Don't confuse it with Sanchi Stupa, which is in Madhya Pradesh. This is Shanti Stupa, and look at that. Say hello to Shanti Stupa, people. Check the other side. Again, you can see some things written on the mountain. That's the golden Gompa we came from. That's what's up. That's what's up. So we are here for the car wash. This place is called, let me show you, in Leh. They're saying it's 500 rupees for complete inside and outside, 300 for outside only. This is the place, E-Steam Car Wash. Set the car near this vacuum cleaner and let them do their thing. This is the before. Everything is just heinously dirty. These things here. Yeah. Oh yeah, check it out. Shiny baby. Less scratches than we expected, so yeah, pretty good. So we are at Magnetic Hill, but we don't see no magnetism in this bitch. Yep, car is there, we've stopped it, but it's going on the incline, so there it's written, on the board that defies gravity and all that good stuff, but I don't see it happening. I don't see it happening. Let's check that shit out. I mean, there's some ATVs here. You know, you can go up this course and do whatever you want to do. That's the magnetic hill, right? It's written there. So the car should pull this way, right? If the magnetism is pulling the car back, or is it the gravity? That's the decline. So how is it defying gravity? It's one of those things. Once you see the answer at the last page of your textbooks, you can get to the solutions any which way. Slightly. So the car is getting pulled towards there. I mean,
once more.
Okay, we'll try it once again just to be sure. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. I think it is, but very slowly. Now it's not happening. I mean, whatever. This is magnetic hill. Good enough. Third try. The car is actually now getting pulled, but we don't know if it's gravity or is it the magnets in the magnetic hill. But yeah, it came. When we go all the way there towards the divider, then it don't. But halfway here it does come back, so we don't know. Could be the road is inclined. Sahi bhai, asli mein sun is the only god. So this is the memorial of the fallen soldiers. Hopefully you saw the photographs. I'll put them on the screen just to get you a glimpse of what's what. Alright people, done with the museum, Hall of Fame, Leh. Must visit if you are here. Time to get back in the car, head to the hotel and call it a day. Tomorrow we'll go to Siachen for sure. We'll try if we can go to Turtuk and see the edge of POK, right? Time to head out. And yeah, salute the flag, man. Salute the flag.